scientists have discovered a knife-like asteroid hurtling through space, forcing us to reevaluate our understanding of cosmic collisions. This phenomenon is known as a P-type asteroid, characterized by its unique shape and composition. Imagine a knife cutting through the vast expanse of space, leaving a trail of debris in its wake. Astronomers have been studying this asteroid for months, and its discovery has opened up new avenues of research. But that's not the strangest part. This asteroid is also thought to be a remnant of a catastrophic event in our solar system's past. Wait until you hear what comes next. This asteroid is not alone in its journey. It's part of a larger family of P-type asteroids, all of which are thought to be fragments of a single, massive object. Scientists believe that this object was destroyed in a massive collision, sending its fragments hurtling through space. And then something unexpected happened. One of these fragments was discovered to have a unique property. This property, known as a non-stick surface, has left scientists stunned and eager to learn more. The implications of this discovery are vast. If we can replicate this property, it could revolutionize space travel and exploration. But how does it work? It's all about the asteroid's composition and the way it interacts with its surroundings. Imagine a knife sliding through butter. That's what this asteroid is doing, but on a much larger scale. The asteroid's surface is covered in a layer of ice, which is what gives it its non-stick properties. As the asteroid hurtles through space, it's picking up debris and dust, which is then ejected behind it. This process is thought to be responsible for the asteroid's unique shape and composition. But that's not the only fascinating aspect of this discovery. The asteroid's surface is also home to a variety of minerals. These minerals are thought to have been formed through a process known as cosmic cooking, where the asteroid's surface is heated and cooled by the sun's radiation. The result is a unique and fascinating landscape, unlike anything we've seen before. As scientists continue to study this asteroid, they're learning more about the early days of our solar system. The asteroid's composition and structure are providing valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. And then something unexpected happened. The asteroid was found to be part of a larger system of asteroids. This system is thought to be the remains of a massive planet that was destroyed in a catastrophic event. The implications of this discovery are vast. It challenges our current understanding of planetary formation and evolution. The asteroid's journey through space is a reminder of the vast and complex nature of our universe. As we continue to explore and study our universe, we're constantly reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the cosmos. The discovery of this asteroid and its unique properties has opened up new avenues of research and exploration. And as we look to the future, we're excited to see what other secrets our universe still holds. So what does this mean for us? The discovery of this asteroid and its non-stick properties has far-reaching implications. If we can replicate this property, it could revolutionize space travel and exploration.
The possibilities are endless, and we're excited to see where this discovery will take us.
So subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts, and join our community of curious learners.